car as it drives down the street with a beep beep horn and four wheels on its feet. It zooms and it zips with a happy little sound. Beep beep, vroom vroom, all around Beaver Pay. Chug chug goes the train on the silver railroad tracks, puffing out steam clouds as it clickety clacks. It rumbles and it rolls with a steady little beat. Choo choo, chug chug, feel the rhythm in your feet. Let's sing the vehicle's song, come along and play. Cars, trains, and planes are moving every day. Make the sounds together loud and bright and strong. Vroom vroom, choo choo, join the singing song. Zoom zoom goes the plane, flying high in the sky, flapping metal wings as it swoops way up high. It spins and it dives with a whooshing roaring tone. Whoosh whoosh, zoom zoom in the clouds alone. Honk honk goes the truck with a load big and wide, rolling down the highway on a long busy ride. It rumbles and it groans as it carries heavy things. Honk honk, rumble rumble, what a sound it brings. Let's sing the vehicle's song, come along and play. Cars, trucks, trains, and planes are moving every day. Make the sounds together loud and bright and strong. Zoom zoom, honk honk, join the singing song. From the roads to the tracks to the sky so blue, every vehicle has a sound it loves to do. Clap your hands and move your feet around. Let's sing again with every vehicle sound.